Hi guys, are you ready to switch your career to IT but still not sure where to start? At SV Soft Solutions, we offer training in some of the most in demand skills in today's job market. Here are some of our best trending courses: HL7, FHAER, Artificial Intelligence and Generative AI, Cybersecurity, Adobe Experience Manager AEM, Python Programming, Java Full Stack Development, SailPoint, Jira, Snowflake, Okta, Dell Boomi, ServiceNow, Tableau, Power BI, Azure DevOps, CyberArk, Workday, and Golang. Go programming language. And that's not all. We have over 60 courses to choose from. Whether you know exactly what you want or you are still confused about which path is right for you, we are here to guide you.
I'm Mr. Srinivas, your training organizer here at SV Soft Solutions. Feel free to call or WhatsApp me anytime for details or doubts. We will help you choose the right course and build a brighter future in IT. Hurry up, friends. Your IT career starts today.